Hey guys, it's my 2012 Honda Fit. Today we're going to be installing the DevSport front splitter. As you can see, I already have the front bumper off, but it wasn't that hard to. You just have to remove these bumper clips, some screws from underneath to hold the fender lining up, and of course you got to remove the grill. Just be careful whenever you do remove these clips. I think the previous owner broke some. As you can see, they're really flimsy, but with the right tool it should be really easy to remove. And on this side too, I have a few screws down here. I didn't have to jack up my car, but the car's pretty low, so I went ahead and jacked it up. And I live in an apartment complex, no garage life, but we're still gonna get it. Let me show you all the tool I used real quick. Yeah, I have the jack in here, but ow, I just hit my head, guys. But yeah. But here's the tool that I used. You know, a standard clip removal. And again, if you don't remove it right, it'll end up just breaking off. So, yep. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys inside the apartment how the splitter looks on the front bumper, and then once I've installed everything, I'll install the bumper back on and give you guys a preview of how everything looks.
Alright guys, so here I'm doing a little voiceover. I'm just showing you the box of the DevSport and the packaging. You can see right there it says car part. And overall shipping wasn't too bad. It was $25. It came with this hardware for the installation onto the front bumper. And it also did come with this front chin splitter protector. I don't know if I'm gonna run it or not, but it does protect the edge. That's what I'm doing with my finger. I don't know why I did it so awkwardly. Hitting you guys back with a second voiceover. So this is pretty much the bumper mocked up onto the DevSport chin splitter. My advice to you guys, definitely make sure you measure several times before drilling into your front bumper. Now, I did have to run to the hardware store or Harbor Freight and get some clamps just to make sure the bumper is nice and secure as I'm preparing to drill into the bumper. They're not much, $3 each. I got about two, and these are my mounting points. You will have some difficulties with the fender liner. That hole where my hand's at, that is supposed to be for the fender liner clip. You're not going to be able to use it anymore. But once you do measure everything, you want to make sure you get your hardware attached. It's an Allen bolt key, a washer, you thread it up. It's another washer and the nylon bolt. They do say use some blue thread locker, and that's what I did. And it's secure, nice and secure. On the pre-face lift models on the Fit, you can see where I'm demonstrating where the bumper is kind of at a curvature and it raises up about a quarter of an inch from the lower grill. I did find some rubber grommets that will fill in those spots. There should be 6 mounting points underneath the lower grill part. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how it's done.
It got kind of hot outside, so I moved the bumper back inside the apartment. But as you can see right here, I kind of have that gap as mentioned before. It goes from this mounting point all the way over to the other mounting point, and it's about 6 holes. But I went to the hardware store and I found these rubber grommets that fit the mounting hardware perfectly. So just trying to do this with one hand. See? It fits. And it'll also fit within this hole. So could use this as a mounting point underneath and screw it from inside the bumper. Alright guys, here I have it all finished and installed. You see, don't mind the bumper, it has scratches, but I'll get a panel later. But here you see, the splitter is now installed. with all the hardware underneath. So for this splitter, it takes 2, 4, 6, 8, it takes 10. These are Allen key bolts. And then on the inside, where is it? It has another washer, a nylon bolt, and you gotta ensure you use a little bit of blue Loctite. But it's all installed. I try to get it as straight as possible. And the rubber garments I was talking about, they'll go right in here. I have 6 of these. And it keeps it straight. It keeps the diffuser straight and not going up. Because without those little grommets, the splitter will end up going up and then down.
Oh, before I do that, I need to reinstall. Nice and secure. Perfect. And get this broom installed again.
There you have it, guys. It's pretty good. Sweet. I'm just gonna lower it and then give you guys a sneak peek of everything else.
Here we are back at it again with another voiceover. There was a lot of background noise. There's this man that was playing like a jukebox while walking behind me. But here's a Honda Fit now. Everything's installed, and I did take it for a test drive. It survived highway speeds. I decided to make a video on this. This is my first YouTube video, so cut me some slack. But I didn't see no videos for 2012 Honda Fit with the DevSport front chin splitter, and I decided to make one for you guys. I appreciate y'all for watching all the way to the end. If you have any suggestions or comments on what I should do next for the Honda Fit, please drop it down below. Hit that thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.